Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Mega Mono wig from the Wille Hairpower collection. This is a Mega Mono wig here. As you can see, it is a beautiful long synthetic wig with a couple different layers there to give you beautiful movement. It's also got a full monofilament top so you can part it in any direction and make sure the hair is sitting exactly the way you want it for a really natural look. So I'm just going to flip this cap inside out so you can take a closer look. So here across the top you can see that full hand-tied monofilament section. This means that you can part the wig in any direction, so just whatever you feel comfortable with to give it the perfect look for you. You've also got that lovely lace front across the top. It is a wee bit extended there, so you're absolutely fine to just trim that back slightly, again just to give that really flawless look, to make it look like the hair is growing straight out your scalp. You do have a fully wefted section at the back. This is perfect for giving a lot of stretch, making sure you're really comfortable and letting air circulate all around. Again, you've got your little adjustable tabs in the back here, perfect for getting the right fit for you. On the sides you've got your little ear tabs with the little metal stays in it, again just for making it fit perfectly. And you've got these little poly tabs across the back there and on your ear tabs, which is great for just adding a little bit of non-slip. Also, if you wanted to pop a wee bit of tape or glue to make sure your wig stays in place all day long, that's the perfect place to do it. So I've popped on a little wig cap and now I'm going to put on the Mega Mono wig so you can see what she looks like on. Just going to pull her down at the back and then adjust at the front so that that hairline is 4 fingers away from my eyebrow. I'm just going to grab a little brush here and get her sitting the exact way I want. So the beauty with that monofilament part is that you can part the hair any direction, so I'm just going to move mine over slightly this way. And this is what the Mega Mono wig looks like on. So as you can see, she has a beautiful long style. You've got those layers giving a lovely, really natural movement. Beautiful little fringe section here. Your fringe is 23 centimeters in length and you have 53 centimeters of overall length. So she is just a beautiful, natural, soft, pretty wig. This is in the colour Sand Mix and I'm going to try on a couple different colours to show you. This is the shade Chocolate Mix, which is a lovely deep brunette colour with some beautiful multi-dimensional highlights running through. It's lovely and dark. This is the shade Champagne Mix, which is a lovely light unrooted blonde colour with all your highlights running through. It's just a beautiful, fun, bright blonde, perfect for the summer. And the final shade I've got here is Ginger Mix, which again is an unrooted colour with some lovely dimension, a wee bit more warmth, another colour that is perfect for summer. I've also parted this one in the middle so that you can just see it styled slightly differently, and I'm going to do a little spin around so you can see how this wig looks like from every angle. So from the side here you can see all these lovely long layers giving it some really beautiful movement, and from the back I hope you've enjoyed learning about the Mega Mono wig from the Wille Hairpower collection. As you can see, it's just a beautiful long style that is super versatile because of that monofilament part, so you can really get this sitting exactly the way you want your hair to. There has been a massive delivery received at Judy Plum, so there is plenty of these in stock ready for next day delivery if you head on over to the website. If you've enjoyed learning about this wig, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can find me over on Instagram at @alopecia, and you can follow Judy Plum across all social media. Don't forget to check out the other wig reviews on the Judy Plum YouTube channel and head on over to the Judy Plum website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. I'll see you again soon for another wig review.